Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed today. Let's see how the market is going to perform in the coming days. So alright guys, as we usually start, let's start with our Nifty 50. If you take a look at Nifty has crossed the all-time high. Now it is currently around 15,869. So we can expect a little bit of correction as the market has given a gap up today. So the market may come down a little bit to fill the gap. So we can expect a little bit of correction now. After the correction is over, when the correction is over, it is in an ultimate uptrend. So don't worry if you have already invested. Wait for the market. Don't worry about anything. Just wait for the market. It will give you a good amount of returns in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is an ultimate uptrend. So this is for Nifty. And if you take a look at Bank Nifty, in 1 hour time frame, as we previously discussed, the Bank Nifty was traveling in a trend line for many days. From the 7th of June to 14th, maybe around 1 week, it was traveling in a trend line. So I have already said in a previous video, if the market breaks the previous high, we can go for buy in Bank Nifty. As you can see now, the market has broken the trend line and it has closed above the previous high, the trend line. So this is our good opportunity to go for buy in Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, we can go for buy here, and the targets will be, as we already discussed, the targets will be 35,600, 35,900, 36,100. So if the market continues the uptrend, it will just go upwards and upwards. It will move only forwards. So don't worry if you have bought the market. Just wait for the market to reach the uptrend. So this is for Bank Nifty. And for gold, if you take a look at gold, as we already discussed in daily time frame, so I previously said if the market closes below this level, it will be a chance for the market to come a little bit downwards. So as you can see, the market did not close, only the wick has formed. So we can expect the market to give a little bounce back and it may go to the previous high. So if you take a look at gold is in an ultimate uptrend. We can expect a little consolidation for a few days. After the consolidation is over, the market is going to give us a huge amount of profits, huge upward movement in the gold. So let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. Alright guys, these are the patterns which is formed in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.